We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button, tell me you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel, and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Shiba Inu. We're going to break down all the data, what the charts are showing with 42 Vision, and also how many holders are there and what news is out recently and what it states, the data and everything that it's being shown for the future movements and action based off the charts. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. If you trade stocks apart from crypto, you're definitely going to want to check out the link down below to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with Shiba Inu and everything going on moving forward and in the charts and what ultimate 42 Vision is showing on the 30-minute and the 4-hour, the bull and bear indicators. We're going to break it all down. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, BIOL and NXTD. Let's go ahead and look at how they performed and when we caught them. So BIOL, I caught this one as the market open at around 9:33, and it was sitting at around 44.45 cents, give or take, and it started pushing upwards, and it hit a highest point of 55 cents, giving us 20% plus in a matter of 20 minutes, guys. Our other home run was NXTD. I caught this one as the bell open. It was pulling downwards. I was watching it to level off, hit a low here of about $4, reversed with strength on 42 Vision, got that bull indicator on Ultimate 42 Vision, and took off for a highest point here of about 15% to 20%, pulled back down, took off again, and from the point I mentioned it to the lows all the way to the highs of the day, it gave a highest point of 25% plus, guys. So if you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Shiba Inu, SHIB token, and SHIB is pushing up higher after creating a support way down here near 4 zeros and a 2.8. I think that is as bearish as it could get for the recent days that we've seen. I'm not saying it's as bearish as it can get in the near future, but that's as bearish as it looks for now, right? A lot of investors don't see it breaking through that, and if it does, it's going to stay in the 4 zeros and not go back to 5 zeros. That's what a lot of bulls are saying. That's what a lot of people are stating, and that's what I've seen around. Now, I want to share with you guys how powerful 42 Vision is, because 42 Vision, once it goes into extreme weakness, and that's what it's showing here on the 30-minute, it is white with red borders, and then it starts to reverse. We got that bull indicator, and it goes into strength, right? When these don't come back up through the volatility, it was pure strength. It happened one more time here around 4 zeros and a 3.6, from way down here at 4 zeros and a 2.8. You could do the math. That's a big difference. And then it consolidated, and it's done the next leg up. That's what I like to call the dip areas to maximize on opportunities based off of 42 Vision. In between that, you do have bull indicators showing strength and moments of continuation of that upward trend. But to even narrow it down and simplify it even more, going right back here to the 4-hour, if you look at the 0.04s with the 2.8 here, that was the first time we saw it on the 30-minute pop up. We see it here on the 4-hour, did a reversal, got that bull indicator, and since then, it's been pure strength, guys. That's how powerful 42 Vision is, and you can now gain access to these indicators as well. The 42 Vision indicator link is down below in the description, and by joining the 42 Vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and the premium indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets, no matter it's going up or down, to maximize on opportunities, guys. So something to definitely keep in mind and be aware of. I get asked about it in every single video, and if you're a first-time viewer, I just wanted to go ahead and share and make you aware of what I have to offer, apart from the videos that I make here on YouTube, and also everything going on with our community and every single member that's maximizing on opportunities thanks to the clarity within the charts to maximize on opportunities with an enhanced experience of charting. So right now it got rejected recently up here at 4 zeros and 3988. That needs to be broken through. We really need to see this breakthrough 4 zeros and a 4 just to go ahead and round it up. Super important point for this to start retracing, and then we need to see how it reacts at 4 zeros and a 4 and then 4 zeros and a 5. I think that's going to be pivotal for the bulls to continue this. But if we zoom out and we put the 1 day, this is still not gotten a bull indicator. Okay, I want you guys to realize this and be aware of this. We need to see a bull indicator pop up. It has had strength, but not on the 1 day just yet. The 4 hour has had a bull indicator since the reversal started. It's had full strength all this time. And then the 30-minute has been a little bit volatile, and that's normal through the bull and bear indicators, but continuing to push up higher every single time, right? So what is going on right now, and why is it so bullish that Shiba Inu has so much potential beyond everything we've talked about all throughout this year, right? All the burning, all the further adoption, the new platform that's going to add it. Everyone's waiting for Robinhood and so forth, right? Kraken kind of pulled back, then it pulled back in and now accepts it, and now they're trading it. I mean, just so many things, right? Coinbase Pro, Binance, and so many others of further adoption. But what is it right now that can actually sustain this type of bullishness and push it up even higher? Well, it has to do with this type of news. Top Ethereum whales still prefer SHIB as leading asset details. Okay, so it just states down here that it says, according to the figure shared by Whale Stats, among the top Ethereum 100 whales, the top 100, SHIB is the most popular asset. Now, this is not the first time SHIB is the most popular asset. It has reached #1 ranking in Coinbase and #1 traded out of the whole list. And it's made it all the way to the top 10 by market cap when it hit its all-time highs, passing Dogecoin. This is nothing new. So this tells us how much potential is here and how much the whales are actually considering this as an opportunity. And if we come over here, the amount of holders have surpassed my projection. I stated that eventually we were going to see 1 million holders, right? And all it's done is slowly go up and up and up, even way back here, way before that, even way before 1 month. It was about 3 months ago, way back at this time. In November, I stated we are on our way towards 1 million. That's going to be a big milestone. I'm sure we can break it, and we have. We've literally reached 1,090,840 holders based off the most recent updated stats. And it just continues to go higher. And if we go down here to the whales, the same amount of whales are holding, and some of them have even upped their positions. And some of the smaller whales, right, have actually upped their positions. Very interesting stuff as we see it, and this just continues to further adopt, guys. Shiba Inu just continues to further adopt. The holders continue to go up, and also it is showing so much strength when we put here the 4 hour on this point down here. The lowest point that it touched after this very bearish downward trend was down here at 4028. And if that turns out to be the floor for now, and this consolidates up here before the next leg up, that is going to be a huge bullish sign. And we are seeing it so far here on the 4 hour and 42 vision, showing extreme weakness and pure strength. I mean, it just goes hand in hand. And we need to see this break through 4 zeros and a 4, and things could be pretty bullish, and it could go off to the races, especially if it bounces off of it with strength, with a catalyst, with news and hype. It will be very, very interesting. But this news here about the whales preferring this and actually seeing it as the leading asset right now and the most popular asset, this further adoption is just getting started, and the whales are loving it. That is very bullish. That's a bullish sign. We're seeing the amount of holders continue to grow, and the whales are still holding here their positions, and if anything, they are upping it, right? Super important to remember that, because this was once 35 in total, now it's 38. And this was once around the 20s, it's at 25. This was less, and all of these are new, and these lower ones are just others that have been around since the beginning of this whole list, right? So some big stuff, man. Some big stuff when you think about it. And Shiba Inu continues to rank among the highest when it comes to trending and also when it comes to most visited. Number 8 on trending and most visited, number 8 as well. It's in the top 10, guys. Top 10. Something to be aware of and not overlook. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.